Hey, yo, what's up, guys? I'm Carl, a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management student here at the National Teachers College, and welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is gonna be super helpful, especially if you're a student like me who loves to travel but also needs to keep things organized and budget friendly. We're doing a full-on how to plan a simple travel itinerary tutorial, and trust me, even if you've never done this before, by the end of this video, you'll be planning like a pro. Step 1. Choose your destination. Okay? First thing first, where do you want to go? Pick a spot that matches your vibe and your budget. Boogs. If it's your first time, I recommend choosing somewhere close like Tagaytay, Baguio, or even a staycation in Manila. It doesn't have to be fancy, believe me. What matters is the experience. Am I right? Let's say we're planning a chill weekend in Tagaytay. It's accessible, affordable, and honestly, the view, chef's kiss. Step 2. Choose your dates. Be realistic with your schedules. As student, our time is limited. I usually go for weekend trips. Leave Saturday morning, be back by Sunday night, just enough recharge without missing schoolwork. Bonus tip, check the weather forecast. The last thing you want is rain ruining your trip. Nah. Plan your transportation at step 3. Check how you're getting there. If you don't drive, look up buses or van terminals for Tagaytay. There are aircon buses in Pasay or PTEX around 100 to 150 pesos one away. Create your actual itinerary. Here's where the planning gets fun. Write down activities you want to do, but don't overpack your schedule. Okay? You want time to enjoy, not rush. Here's a quick example of itinerary. Day 1. 8 o'clock a.m. Depart Manila. 10:30 a.m. Arrive in Tagaytay. 11 o'clock coffee stop at Starbucks with the Taal view. That's really amazing. Believe me, guys. 12:30 p.m. lunch at Bag of Beans. 2 p.m. check in at hotel. 4 p.m. Sky Ranch. 7 p.m. dinner at Balay Daco. Day 2, for example, 8 o'clock a.m. breakfast. 9:30 a.m. People's Park or Puzzle Mansion. Depends on you guys. 11 o'clock souvenir shopping. 1 o'clock p.m. head back to Manila. Looks packed, right? But trust me, it's all chill. You've got food, sights, and rest. That's the holy trinity right there. Step 5. Budget wisely. As a student, your wallet needs to survive the trip too. Plan your expenses in advance. Here's I usually break mine down. Transportation 300 pesos. Accommodation 800, shared with friends. Food 500 pesos. Entrance fee 300. Extras like souvenirs, snacks. It only cost me 300. And the total is around 2,200 pesos. But you can cut that even more depending on your choices, right? Ay, nako. Quick bonus tips before we wrap up. Always pack light. Bring only what you need. Save digital copies of your itinerary, ID, and booking receipts. Share your plans with someone. Safety first. Don't forget power banks. Trust me. And most importantly, have fun. Don't stress over small things. Go with the flow when needed. Alright? And that's it. That's how I, a BSTM student from NTC, plan a smooth and affordable travel itinerary. Hope this helps you plan your next trip, whether it's a requirement for class, a Barkada getaway, or just a solo soul-searching adventure. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment. If you want more tutorials like this, maybe how to plan an event or how to budget for an international trip next. I'm Carl. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Safe travels!